Volkswagen where the temperature light is flashing. Now, if the temperature light is flashing, that usually means that you either have low coolant level or the coolant sensor is faulty or has damaged wires, open circuit basically. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the engine is not overheating. And typically if the engine is overheating, the light is not flashing, it just turns on and stays on solid. So start by letting the car cool down and then go ahead and check the coolant level. In this case, the engine is completely cooled off, so that light is turning on and flashing as soon as we start the car. So we know we have an electrical issue or low coolant level. So let's check the level first and see where that's at. So right here is the coolant reservoir. You can look at the side of it and you can see the level is right at the minimum. So if it's minimum or below, you want to add coolant, allow the engine to cool down, and then you can go ahead and add some coolant, make sure it's properly mixed. But the next thing is this sensor right here that you see. It could also be faulty, and that this is a common problem. And now to replace it, you have to replace the whole reservoir. You also want to check the connector there, and you want to check the wire harness. But this sensor definitely goes bad sometimes. In some cases, the temperature light will only flash when the engine is cold, and the reason why that is because once you restart the car, the fluid level raises us just enough so that it's detected by that sensor, the temperature sensor, and then the light turns off.